Mars is still alive. The station on its surface recorded 480 quakes, and some of them are very strange. I mean the Mars quake recorded by the InSight device. The InSight spacecraft was specially designed to study the seismic activity of Mars. Successfully landed on its surface on 26 November 2018. The mission was designed for 2 years, that is, InSight was supposed to finish its mission at the end of November. But it is still working. Its work has been extended until the end of 2022. InSight's main instruments were the French seismograph SEIS and the ground-based heat flow probe HP3. The probe buries itself. It took him a while to bury himself. On April 6, 2019, the first Mars quake was recorded. At the end of 2020, the seismometer recorded another 480 such events. At the beginning of 2019, seismic activity was recorded frequently, and since the middle of the year, it has decreased, and only 5 events were recorded until September. It is possible that some of them are connected with the winds, but all events are far and deep. Surface Marsoquakes, as it happens on Earth, were not recorded. This is an audio Marsoquake. Similar sounds are divided into 2 types. Now you have listened to the first one, which experts from NASA refer to the Marsoquakes, with a magnitude of 3.3 and 3.7 points. Sounds rising and falling, as well as terrestrial ones, but long enough. By ear, they sound like the sound of a train passing far away. And the second type of sounds NASA experts openly call damned. This is the sound of a hammer striking iron against a background of the accelerating ticking of the clock. It sounds like repairing something with a hammer. Could it be the sounds of underground mining machines or Martian cities? And NASA showed us only a small fraction, and the most harmless part of all that they heard in almost 2 years.